Alright, we are back at Central LRT Station and look at that. The new escalator on the west end of the platform has now been put in, and they're doing testing and stuff to get this ready. And according to the workers, they say in about 2 weeks, they should be put into service. And that means that Montgomery Escalator on the other end of the platform will soon be torn out. And let's take a look at that. Let's go take a look at that. Oh, that's the way. Look, there's that escalators in the process of being replaced, and what happened to the elevator? It's now on the chopping block for Modernization, the Elcor Hydraulic, and they're looking, and as well as the platform now, they're both on the process of Modernization. And there's the old Montgomery Escalator, which will soon be going by as still in service. This thing will be mixed just like the outlet. We'll take one last lie on it before it gets ripped out within a couple weeks' time. The northbound is pretty crazy. Let's take a ride on this escalator one last time before it gets ripped out. We're going to miss this thing, just like the Elcor elevators in Central LRT. These escalators are being replaced, going by and the elevators are being modern. There's the Central LRT Station, being modern. If you look to the corner, see there's the old elevator, the call station, which will be taken. The doors will be open. Anyways, and other than that, and say goodbye to the 1970s Montgomery Escalator, Central LRT, as well as the Elcor. They would be missed. Other than that,